Hello friends, in this video I will show you keywords in Java. In Java, how many keywords you are going to use, and now I will show you all the keywords which is belong from Java. Related to keywords belong to data type, keywords belong to control statement, keywords belong to SS specifier, keywords belong to SS modifiers, keywords belong to package, keywords belong to exception, and keywords belong to classes, and keywords belong to inheritance, and keywords belong to object. Okay, in this session I will show you one by one keywords belong to Java or keywords in Java. Now let's start from keywords belong to data type. Okay, number one, keywords in Java, and first point is keywords belong to data type. Keywords belong to data type. In data type there are 9 keywords which is used in Java for writing the program. All these keywords used to write a Java program. Without these keywords we can't do anything in Java. Number one, keywords belong to data type. In data type, byte, short, int, long, char, float, double, void, and last one is boolean. In Java language, in Java programming language, these are the keywords which is belong to data type: byte, short, int, long, char, float, double, void, main. Okay, now our next point is keywords belong to control statement. In Java language, there is some keywords which is used to control the statement. If you want to say these are the keywords which are going to use for control the statement. Okay, number one, if, else, while, for, do, switch, case, break. In control statement, these are the keywords which you have already know about this. If else, while, do. If you have knowledge about C++, then these are also used in this language. And in Java language, control statement have some more keywords belong to control statement. Continue, return, and last one is defer. These are the keywords which belong to control statement. In Java, these are the keywords which is going to use in control statement. Okay. Next topic is keywords belong to SS specifier. SS specifier. Okay. Sorry. In Java, private, public, and protected. These are the keywords which is belong to SS specifier. Using these keyword, we are going to write a Java program. It's totally depend upon user, and it's totally depend upon user and requirement. Which type of requirement you have, according to requirement you can use these three keywords in Java to SS specifier. Next one is keywords belong to SS modifier. Keywords belong to SS modifier in Java. Let's see what is the keywords belong to SS modifiers. Keywords belong to SS modifiers. Abstract, final, static, script FP, synchronize, transient, volatile. Okay, these are the keywords. These are the keywords in Java which are going to use to SS modifiers. Next topic is keywords belong to package. In Java package, there is the keywords which are going to use in package. Okay, number one, itself package. Package is a keyword which are used in package. And next one is import. These two keywords belong to package. According to our requirement, we are going to import or going to use package. What is the requirement? Next one is the keywords belong to exception. Next point is the exception. Exception in Java, exception is a very interesting point. In coming video, I will show you about exception. This is a very interesting and very important point in Java. There is lot of concept and lot of exception handling point. Is totally depend upon you and computer processor. You can control here all the execution in Java. Totally depend upon you. If you want to execute any statement, is totally depend upon you. If you want to which statement is going to execute when, is depend upon you. You can use some method and logic. Okay, I will explain about exception in coming video. Let's see keywords belong to exception. Okay, keyword belong to exception. There are some keywords which are used to exception classes and exception handling. Number one, try. It's a basic keywords in Java. Try. Number one, try. Catch. Throw. Throws. Finally. Assert. Assert keyword which is came in Java 1.4. Before this keyword not mentioned in Java. Okay. Next point is keywords belong to classes. Keywords belong to classes. In Java classes, what is the keywords used in class? I will show you right now. But all these keywords what you have seen till now, these keywords are also used in Java classes, not outside the Java classes. In Java, if you write anything outside the classes, this is the totally wrong. In Java, everything should be present inside the class, nothing will present outside the class. If you write anything outside the class, it's break the rules of encapsulation manner. Okay, in Java, if you cannot write anything outside the classes. Let's come on point. Keywords belong to classes. In class, class is a itself a keywords. Class is a itself a keyword. Number 2, interface. Number 3, enum. I will explain you these two keywords in coming video. What is the class, what is the interface, and what is the enum. But right now I will show you only keywords in Java. Keywords belong to classes. Next one is the keywords belong to inheritance. Inheritance is the topic which is very important topic in Java. Inheritance is show you relation like fathers and child. Is show you relation between child and father. It's inherit the property of parent class. If you write a class A and another class is B, or you can say class name parents, and class name is child. If you want to inherit property of parent, you can inherit using extend keyword in Java. Now coming to the point, and point is keywords belong to inheritance. In inheritance, number 1, extend in inheritance. Number 1, extend, and next one is implement. I will show you in next video when you are going to use extend keyword and when you are going to implement keyword. But right now I will give some knowledge about extend keywords and implement keywords. Extend, if you have two classes, parent class and child class, or you can say if you have class A and class B. If you want to inherit the property of class A, you can use extend keyword, and you can say also superclass and subclass. Okay, in Java, object is the superclass of all the classes. What you have write in Java, in all classes is a superclass. Object is a superclass of all the classes. Okay. Implement, where and when you use implements keywords. Okay, if you want to inherit the property of interface, at that time you are going to use implement. Right now I will give you only idea where you have extend, where you have used implement. In coming video I will show you full details about extend and implement. Now come in the point, and next point is keywords belong to object. Keywords belong to object. In Java, keywords belong to object. I will show you keywords belong to object. keywords belong to object. In Java, there are two keywords which is belong from object. Number one, new, and number two, instance. In Java, two keywords which is belong from object. These two are very interesting point in Java. New and instance. What is the new? What is the instance? What is the difference between new and instance? When we use new and when you use instance, what is the property of new? What is the property of instance? When what why you use in instance in Java? There are many questions related to two keywords. I will show you in coming video. Now, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Okay, thank you so much.